Okay, so in this video, we're going to take a look at the HTTP REST call from post service to the user service. And for that, we need to create a HTTP exchange interface, which will use the REST client. So for that, we will first create a interface. We're gonna have a new package called we'll create a new package called HTTP, and in this we'll have a new interface called user service HTTP. And this will be a get exchange or HTTP exchange with its resource location user service / API / user, and it'll have let's say we want to fetch a get user by ID, right? And we go to our user service, and here we have a get post by, we have a get user by ID, right? So we'll use this, and we'll have the user DTO get user by ID, and this will be taking a path variable of UID, and this will be a top of type get mapping, or I should say get exchange, along with the path variable ID. And now this is the function that we will use to fetch the user DTO. Now, one more thing we have to do is in the application configuration, we need to add a REST config to make a call to the user service. And for that, we are going to use a HTTP service proxy factory. Now, this is public, that is user service HTTP, user service HTTP, and this will have HTTP service proxy factory equal to, now before that we need to create a REST client builder. Okay, so I'll have public. This REST client builder is responsible for storing the location of the server. So this will be a REST client builder. Okay, so this REST client belongs to the Spring Framework web client. Okay, and this will have a client config, and we'll have a REST client dot builder dot base URL. I'll have a localhost. So this will have the location of the server along with the port number, and the rest of the, so this is what we need to call at the end, right? So this we will be specifying in the REST client, and the rest is present into the interface, the HTTP exchange interface. And if it requires an extra or additional information, then we have provided it in the as a path variable over here. And then this is done, then we go to factory. The factory will have http service proxy factory dot builder dot build. Now this will have information regarding this will have builder for REST client adapter dot create user service client dot build, and this will be dot build. Very cool. And this will return this. Oh wait, this will return factory. Create client. Okay, so this will specify, we need to specify here the interface that we had created dot create client for the user service http dot class. Okay, and I guess this is enough. Let me just check once. So you got the factory, you got the http proxy factory, http service proxy factory, builder for, and then the REST client adapter is the one that you specified here, and this is build, and build the whole factory and return the created client, and this will be a bean, and also this will be a bean. Cool. And now we will go to post service, and we'll specify here user service http get user service http, and same over here. Okay, get random user. Now this function needs to be added to our interface. We go back over here, and this has to be at what is the function in here, user dot load, right? And this has to be this at, this is what, get right, get exchange. User services load, we don't need this, we have already specified it at the top. This has to be users, and if I'm not wrong, this has to be users, right? And we go to the controller of the user service, so it's users. Okay, and it also uses the context from here. So we got load, got what are we expecting from this? If I go to post service, we need user DTO as well, get random user. Okay, get random user DTO, and okay, we go to post service, and we got the random user. Now we have to also run the user service. Okay. And if we go to the post service, let this run as well. Okay. And then we get a random post. Okay. So as you can see, oh wait, this is user service. We don't want user service. We want post service load. Okay. We do have the post controller. What is the, it's 10,001, and we have post service API, post service API users. We don't have this. We have post.load. Okay, so okay, at least we got the user info as well. We still need to change this. We don't need to fetch it in a cycle. Posts, and yeah, so we'll take a look at that later, but for now at least this is working. So you got the post and the user associated to it as well. Yep. So that's it for this video. Thanks.